Here's a look at the cases that brought drama, emotion, and unforgettable courtroom moments to your screen.
She placed Evelyn's body in a kitchen trash can, upside down in a trash can, still in her purple fleece onesie and diaper.
I said, I don't care what I got to do. I said, I want to know what's going on.
Where did this baby go?
I don't know.
The first-degree murder and the perpetration of a felony. It's a judgment of this court. You are guilty.
Laurie Vallow is why Charles is dead.
No doubt on my mind that they killed him.
He's dead. Alex killed him. It was horrible.
Conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, guilty.
And then, bang! He heard a shot and his window shattered.
If there was anyone you knew who might want to harm you?
Laurie and Alex.
Conspiracy to commit first-degree murder, guilty.
She clipped John O'Keefe. He fell backwards, broke his skull.
She's the victim of a botched and biased and corrupted investigation.
Stop talking, calm down, you're hysterical. So she repeated, I hit him.
Did I say, could I have hit him? Did I really say it as many times as law enforcement's claiming?
The investigation was done with honor, integrity.
He wrote, no nudes so far.
The location and orientation of the laceration on John O'Keefe's right forearm and arm are consistent with the geometry and orientation of the right taillight of the Reed 2021 Lexus LX 570.
With regard to this particular 10-mile-an-hour test, what did you note in terms of the damage to the taillight?
It was very minimal.
As it pertained to the subject taillight using the 29-mile-an-hour test?
It was inconsistent.
Defendant not guilty or guilty? Not guilty.
When, if ever, would Sean mention the freak-off videos to you?
He would mention them when he was upset about something. He just wanted to hurt me.
She told me that Sean Combs had found out about us.
He mentioned that when we were out of the country, that Scott's car would be blown up.
Mr. Combs sounded very nervous, just was talking really fast. If this got out, it could ruin him.
Today's a great victory. It's a great victory for Sean Combs.
I'm glad he got found guilty on something, at least better than nothing at all.
They were a little, who are you guys? What's going on? Blah, blah, blah. It escalates when one of them grabs Heinz's beer out of his hand.
Said something along the lines of, like, I think I just stabbed like 4 people or something like that.
And you stabbed Ryan Hines in his chest.
Wasn't aiming or anything.
Do you find the defendant guilty or not guilty?
Not guilty.
I observed him push her boyfriend away and then go in for like a headlock.
Did you have any fear of dying?
Her face was looking like pale and her eyes were starting to roll back.
Find the defendant Ihsan Ali guilty of the lesser crime of assault in the second degree. We, the jury, find the defendant Zahraa Ali not guilty of the crime of attempted murder in the second degree.
Donna Adelson was part of a conspiracy to hire a hitman to kill her former son-in-law, Dan Markell.
The woman who wanted him to be killed was Wendy Adelson.
Yes.
You testified that your mother hated Danny at the time that he was killed. Do you remember saying that?
I think she was mad at him.
The defendant is guilty of first-degree murder.
Who would think a 6-year-old's gonna bring a gun to school and shoot their teacher? It's Dr. Parker's job to believe that that is possible.
It was my understanding that administration wouldn't think twice as well when alerted about a potential gun in school.
We, the jury, on the issues joined, find in favor of the plaintiff, Abigail Zwerner.
Look at me. Did you kill your father?
No, sir.
You left him there. Hit him in the head. He's unconscious, not moving. No, this is because
Find the defendant, Devyn Jade Michaels, as follows. Guilty of first-degree murder with use of a deadly weapon.
Trinity Poague resented this child.
If the baby dies, somebody's getting charged with murder.
She killed that little boy. She cracked his skull.
On count 1, not guilty. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, we, the jury, find the defendant guilty.
And that is a look at the trials that defined 2025. So where does your favorite fall on our list? Let us know. Which trial do you think deserves the top spot?